forces out, Yabu, well, best to begin, top notch, Charizari outside, second, Zabinon, Torres Bez, then followed by Redemption, Si Senor comes next, then followed by Owaki and Dancing Storms is the early trailer. We have Torres Bez by about 3 for Balenka. Right behind in second is well. Top Notcher is racing in third, Zabinon in fourth, then followed by Owaki Redemption, Dancing Storms, and Si Senor is racing in last. And that's still Torres Bez by Oralenka and Hapa. Well, now trying to get closer on the outside second, and moving up now to take third is Owaki. Sauvignon comes next, Top Notcher, Dancing Storms, Redemption, and Si Senor. We've got well, and Torres Bez fighting it out for the lead. 4 lengths away in third, Owaki, Sabinon, Dancing Storms, as they come down to the last 150. Well, Torres Bez fighting it out for the lead. Well, is on the outside. Torres Bez is running by there, but it's still well, followed by Torres Bez in second, and finally, well, Torres Bez, Dancing Storms, Owaki, then comes Sabinon, Top Notcher, Redemption, and Si Senor.
6-2-1-4-3. Improve na nga si well.